study. If you are continuously chanting this statement because of examination fright, it won't make any difference unless you take action. If stress is keeping you from doing so, you need to adopt the right exam survival techniques at your earliest convenience. The top 5 exam survival tips are discussed below for your assistance. 1. Don't panic. Exam time is the high time, as the stress and pressure can be sensed everywhere. In such a frantic situation, you need to invest extra effort to keep your nerves calm. In this connection, you can consider placing motivational quotes around your studying table or bedroom, or you can talk to your loved ones who can help boost your morale. In addition to this, you need to tell yourself that you have prepared enough for exams and that you will do just fine. 2. Follow a timetable. As stated earlier, it is difficult to keep one's nerves in check and even harder to conduct effective studying sessions. To make this easy for yourself, you should create a timetable and stick to it religiously. On this note, you should identify the most productive hours of the day, so that you can utilize them for studying purposes. 3. Practice sample papers. In an exam, all you have to do is provide relevant answers to all the listed questions in the available time frame. Since doing so requires practice and time management skills, you must develop these by solving past or sample papers. You should try solving these papers as they will allow you to narrow down the important topics for revision purposes. Also, this practice will enable you to manage and distribute your time among all the listed questions accordingly. 4. Seek assistance. Since the academic tensions during this time are on the peak, you should hire external help for yourself. For instance, you can delegate your assignments to online assignment writing service, or employ the services of a tutor for your academic assistance. These professionals will assist you in managing and completing all the responsibilities on your part effectively, and that too, without any hassle. 5. Take breaks. The human brain is a delicate creation, which gets exhausted when exposed to continuous tiresome working conditions. When this saturation point is reached, the brain becomes incapable of processing or absorbing any information. For instance, you can take a 10-minute break after studying continuously for an hour. Doing so will keep you from getting tired and will help you make the most of your potential. This is how you can survive your exams and produce the best possible academic results. So, are you ready to pass your exams with flying colors? All the best to you.